Morning. Today we came to visit a Portuguese market here in Almeirim. Today we are joined with my nan, Generosa, and my granddad, José Manuel. Excited, Cristiana?
Very excited. It's been a long time since we've been to markets, and especially in Portugal it's been years since we went to a market, so I'm excited.
By law we don't have to wear any masks, but in public events like markets we do. This is the clothes section. We got shirts, jeans, jumpers, all the good lot. ¿Qué compró? Mostra. Let's see my granddad's shopping. Abra lá. Nice. So we live in the clothes section and we enter in the livestock. Oh, you got dogs.
Olha os patinhos. Oh, compra um patinho para lá em casa. Vai, obrigado. Olha, tão giro.
Little nuts and little rabbits here.
Roger the rabbit. It's very noisy, isn't it?
Very noisy.
And it's a bit windy now. Oh look, 3 eggs. The chickens are sold for about 2 to 3 euros per chicken. It's very cheap. Oh, they even got little birds.
Castanhas daqui e da nossa. Isto é fumado.
Gonna buy some roasted chestnuts.
Quando puder. Se houver que chegue para mim.
Just bought some chestnuts roasted. That's that.
Tudo lembra no tempo.
Oh, typical Portuguese cheese. This is like cured cheese.
Quanto é que é?
É 4,80. Obrigado.
É este. Este é bonito, né, Cristiana? Tem o olhinho branco com o olhinho cor-de-rosa. É mais bonito do que esta, né?
My nan just bought an orchid for €7.50. Pretty nice, isn't it? What's that? Está bonita.
É, cheira. Vai, meta lá aí. Aqui mais redondinho.
3 para si? Três uma nota! Vai na nota! A senhora.
Oh, heavy. We got 3 pineapples for €5. so noisy up here that I have to do a voiceover. Very, very noisy. So you seen this soup right here? This is not a regular soup. This is quite interesting because it's called a stone soup. The story behind this soup goes back many years ago when a priest stopped by in Almeirim. He had nothing to eat, so he knocked on the door of a nearby house. As he was too proud to beg, he asked for a big pot so he can make a stone soup. The family of the house were intrigued, so they let him in. The priest dropped the stone into the water and then started cooking it. He then asked for some more ingredients to make the soup more delicious. He asked for some salt, some onions, some garlic, some beans, some potatoes, chorizo, some pork meat. In the end, they ate the soup all together, and then the priest carefully removed the stone, washed it, and then saved it so he could make another one. Got some swordfish for my granddad and for me. We're going to share this plate with some veg and potatoes. Gonna add a bit of olive oil. And a little bit of vinegar. That's all the seasoning that we need. Swordfish. Whoa! Dessert time, Christiana. Molotov.
Time for myself. Molotov.
Spongy. Very good.
Very good. This is just white eggs.
With caramel, right?
Caramel.
I'm not a dessert person, sweet person. Plus, I don't take any sugar. Just have an espresso. Same goes with my granddad. Oh, and he's having moonshine. Moonshine with a coffee. He poured a little bit of moonshine into his coffee. Moonshine is American. In England, they call that firewater. I was trying to remember the name here. In England, that's firewater. In America, it's moonshine. Sharing is caring. Everyone's taking a little bit of the Molotov. Everybody's nicking a little bit of Christiana's Molotov. Everybody's nicking a little bit. I have to as well. It's good. I'll probably go for the second nick of the day. It's good. Good choice, Christiana. We're gonna take some soup, some stone soup to take away. The meat separately. Leftovers, Christiana. This is the restaurant. It's open kitchen. It's so busy. You see all these people? All of these are queuing up to eat at that restaurant. So you can tell it's very famous out here. Look at this. All of these people queuing up. Madness. Especially because of that stone soup. There's another market down here.
Just bought half a kilo of physalis, and these ones seem to be really good and really nice and big.
Open it up. Yeah, they're big.
They're big, right? I can't eat any more after lunch, so I'm just gonna save them for later, for the rest of the week.
And how much was it? Half a kilo?
€3 for half a kilo.
Nice. My granddad, I think, he bought some melons. And some onions, I think. We have arrived to Gosu. We're going to finish the video over here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.